Gondor automatic tortilla machine. Various models can be chosen. Uniformly pressed and non-stick. Precise cuts for uniform tortillas. Machine head can be customized. Constant baking temperature. Quickly cools the tortillas. Large capacity, easy to load. Adjustable tortilla diameter and thickness. Produces over 1,000 tortillas per hour. Automated processes. High and stable yield. Comply with food safety standards. The taste is soft and tough. Smooth and neat edges. Matching machines. Wide range of applications. Technology. Efficiency. Reliability. Innovation. Precision.